Hi, I'm Elisa with Morrocco Method. If you're new to this channel, welcome to Morrocco Method International. We are the experts in 100% natural hair care. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is all about styling, specifically wavy hair. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I style my wavy hair every day with just my Boar bristle brush and one Morrocco Method product. The brush that I use is the Morrocco Method mixed Boar bristle and nylon bristle brush. I really like that the nylon bristles work to detangle my hair, while the Boar bristles work to evenly distribute my natural oils for conditioning. Now, if you're someone with wavy hair, you've probably noticed that when you brush through your hair, your waves will fall out, your hair might poof or frizz or just kind of go insane. Mine certainly does. So that's why my hair routine includes only brushing before showering. That way, I can still detangle, distribute my natural oils, while maintaining my wave's shape. That being said, every time I brush, I do make sure that it's a thorough, proper brushing. For more information on healthy and proper brushing, check the link in the description box below. Now, I know you've heard me talk about this product in the previous two videos, the famed mystery styling product. Well, today I'm going to show you what it is. The styling product that we're using in today's tutorial is Blood of the Dragon Styling Gel. Blood of the Dragon contains aloe vera as its primary ingredient. Honestly, it's incredible how much styling power this raw and 100% authentic plant material has. Some products will say that they contain aloe vera, but can they say that it's hand-picked and completely unaltered by chemicals? I'm not so sure. This product also contains raw apple cider vinegar and a variety of kelp extracts to maintain moisture and add shine. This styling product has a nice mild to moderate hold and moisturizes your hair while you use it. Most of today's styling products contain plastics and other synthetic ingredients that weigh down, lock in, and essentially coat your hair in a non-permeable layer. And that's not a good thing, especially if your hair is wavy, because you're more prone to dryness. Blood of the Dragon does coat your hair so that you can have that mild to moderate hold, but it's a permeable layer that's not going to dry your hair from the inside out. In fact, the ingredients in here will give you moisture and style control. It comes in two sizes, the 16 ounce, which is here, and the 2 ounce, if you're not sure and want to give it a try. I actually upgraded to the larger size because this has now become a staple in my everyday hair routine, and what I plan to do is refill this bottle and use it as my travel bottle. A little bit goes a long way with this product, and I'll show you how in today's styling tutorial. Let's get started. For today's tutorial, I called upon my lovely assistant, me. Hello, me, and thanks for helping me out today. The very first thing you're going to want to do before you step out of the shower is to squeeze the excess moisture out of your hair. You do this by cupping your hair from the bottom, bringing it up to your scalp, and squeezing gently. Don't twist or wring out your hair down low because you want to keep your natural wave shape intact. Cupping and squeezing the water out this way will allow you to get the excess water out while still maintaining your natural hair shape. You'll see that almost no water came out of my hair during this step, but that's because I completed it beforehand. The next step is to flip your hair upside down. I'm not tilting my head very much in this tutorial, but when you do this at home, you're going to want to completely bend at the waist and invert your hair. Next, dispense the gel into your hand. Depending on your hair's texture and length, you may need to use more or less. Don't be afraid to experiment with this one. Next, you rub the product in between your hands so that both of your hands are coated. Then, just like when you wrung your hair out, but this time while your hair is inverted, cup your hair, bring it up to your scalp, and squeeze. You'll know you're doing it right if you hear a little squish as you squeeze. Because you didn't take away too much water when you were wringing your hair out earlier, the water that's still in your hair will mix in with the product and help to evenly distribute it around all of your strands. Personally, I only apply the product to my ends. I've experimented with applying the product closer to my scalp, but I found for me, my hair tends to be a little more oily, and applying the product there was just too much moisture and it was causing some issues. But that might work for you. Again, try it out and see what happens. Next, grab your hair towel. I use a microfiber towel because I find that it's more absorbent than a terry towel, and it also helps to manage frizz. You'll want to lay your towel out on a flat surface for this next part, just like this. Then, just like when you applied the product, flip your hair upside down and place your head onto the towel so that only the top of your head is touching it. This is what's referred to as the plop method when styling wavy or curly hair. You literally plop your head onto the towel. This further ensures that your waves or curls maintain their natural shape without any pulling or twisting of strands. Then, just wrap the towel around your head like usual. The next part is super easy. You just wait. You can wait 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, even longer if you want to. I've done it. In that time, you could do so many things. Your hands are completely free to do whatever you need to because the styling is happening on top of your head without any input from you. It's amazing, I'm telling you. My lovely assistant here decided to do a Feng Shea facial scrub treatment, followed by the Zen Facial Cream, which is super moisturizing and also aloe vera based. Every product featured in this video will be linked in the description box below. To shop, simply visit shop.moraccomethod.com. After waiting the appropriate time, simply take the towel off and you're done. You're gonna notice that your hair is a little bit damp, just let it air dry the rest of the way. Now, if you're like me, there may be a time when you apply too much styling gel and your hair seems kind of crunchy or stiff or otherwise not how you wanted it to be. That is okay. The solution is to simply scrunch like you did for styling and wringing out, just like this, and this will break up those casts. It's what's referred to as breaking the cast. That's what you're doing. And you just do this. You can also sometimes comb through a little bit or do a little bit of this with it to break them up, but not a ton unless you absolutely have to. It's super important not to touch your hair while it's air drying. Then you run the risk of pulling your waves out and having your hair come out not so great, which I've also done. Sometimes when it's all done and dry, it's really hard not to just run my hands through because it's so soft and fluffy and just really nice, but don't do it. Don't do it. Other than that, that's it for this tutorial. It's super easy and hands-free. I don't know about you, but the way I used to style my hair took so much more time and so much more effort. This is great. I couldn't be happier with my new styling routine. Definitely give this method a go. If you liked the video, leave a like, consider subscribing if you'd like to stay up to date with our content, and leave a comment letting us know what you think, especially if you have any questions. We are always here to help you achieve your hair dreams. This is Elisa with Morrocco Method, signing off, wishing you health, happiness, and 100% naturally luxurious hair. Bye!